Hi YouTube, this is Mr. Finger User, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. As you know, in a Rubik's Cube you got 6 sides and 6 different colors, like the top layer white and then followed by others. So what you need to do is first get the center color, like white and green. So this side must be white and green. I already matched them. So here white and red. So we need to find a side with white and red. So it's here. So we need to move them up here. So they're perfect matched here. Next, white and blue. We need to find, like, it's like here. So we need to put it top here. So we match this side. And finally, orange and white is here. So I rotate this. So you got a nice little cross there with all the color matched. Yes. So what we need to do is do the corners. See, that's white, orange and green. So this must be white, orange and green, and it needs to find it now. So it's here. So we need to move this to here. So if I put it there, you can see it's match. And here is white, green and red. So we need to find these 3 colors. So we find it here. It's in the wrong place, so we need to remove it. So it's here. Now we need to put it there. So put from here to there. So now we got matched. Everything matched for first layer. Now what we need to do is just match the last 2 corners here. So let's see. This is white, red and blue. So we find white, red and blue. So we need to put this to here. So we match everything except for the last one. Last one is already done, so let me just... Now the whole first layer is done. See? Red, red, blue, blue, orange, orange, green and green. And that is the first layer. The second layer, I can say, is the easiest layer out of these 3 layers here, because there's only 4 sides we need to solve, as you can see here. So let's get started. We see red and blue. These 2 colors needs to be here. So because red, red, blue and blue. First, red is facing up. So we need to turn into the opposite of red, just like this. Because its most process is on the left, so we turn to left, so we're facing blue. And also because of this, we need to use a formula like this one, the second one here, bottom one. The formula goes here like right side go clockwise, upper layer go anti-clockwise, the right layer go anti-clockwise, up layer go anti-clockwise, the layer facing you anti-clockwise, the upper layer go clockwise, and finally the layer facing you go clockwise, just like this. And you find these 2 colors move from here to there. And then we can find this green and orange. It should be here. This time most of the process is on the right side, so you face orange and do the formula on top here, this formula here. So here it goes. Right, left layer go anti-clockwise, upper layer go clockwise, left layer go clockwise, upper layer go clockwise, the layer facing you go clockwise, the upper layer do anti-clockwise, and finally the layer facing you anti-clockwise, and you find these two colours is matched here. Then we find red and green. So red is facing up, so it needs to be opposite to the red center. And then it's all the process on this side, right side. So you face green and do the top formula again. There it goes. Right layer anti-clockwise, upper layer go clockwise, left layer go clockwise, upper layer go clockwise, layer facing you clockwise, the upper layer go anti-clockwise, and finally the layer facing you clockwise. It's like this. So you can see it's matched, everything except for this one. So you find it here, so it's blue and orange, so it's here, you can find it here. The blue facing up, opposite to the blue then. So we all the process on the left. So we do the bottom formula here. Here it goes. The right layer clockwise, upper layer anti-clockwise, the right layer anti-clockwise, the upper layer go anti-clockwise, the layer facing you go anti-clockwise, the upper layer do clockwise, and finally the layer facing you go clockwise. And last you find the second layer solved. Everything is matched. See here.